I must tell you that a lie is superior to all truths. A lie has to be carefully crafted. Reasons and proofs are mustered. Indeed, a lie is sophistication par excellence. Truth, on the other hand, is a helpless pygmy against giant lies. It tries to stand on its own. The cause seeking public raises a jeer. With no elaborate network of reasons and proofs, truths are derided, mocked, and servile to conmen. So this is the end. I'll just quickly put on something that's shorter than this. So I feel that whatever. If clothing were like Ghagra, my programs are more like maybe two-piece swimsuits or something like that. Very short usually. A word of truth can and will shake and wipe out a mountain of lies. Lie humbly.